In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote YouTube channel in Google Ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account and open the campaign section. This is your command center where you can see performance and create new campaigns. Click the big plus button to start a new one. When Google offers presets, choose Create a Campaign without guidance. This gives you full control over every setting. Select Video as your campaign type, since we're promoting a YouTube video. When asked for the objective, pick Views. That tells Google you want to maximize watch time and discovery, which is ideal for channel growth. Then continue to the Setup screen. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name, such as the channel or series name, plus the goal. Good naming makes reporting and optimization much easier later. In the format options, uncheck skippable in-stream and shorts placements if you want to concentrate spend on in-feed discovery placements that drive higher intent views. Keeping formats tight helps your budget work harder. Change the budget setting from campaign total to daily so you control exactly how much you spend each day. Choose a comfortable daily amount you can sustain while you test. Set an end date to keep the campaign time-bound and prevent accidental overspend. You can always extend it if results look good. In networks, limit where your ads can appear. If you want tighter control, uncheck options you don't need, such as video partners on the Google Display Network, to focus delivery where it matters most. Next, set your locations. Starting with your own country is often the simplest and most relevant choice, especially if your content or language targets that audience. Add related videos so viewers have more to watch after they engage with your ad. This can lift session watch time and improve your channel's stickiness. Name your ad group in a way that reflects your plan. For example, noting that it's focused on in-feed ads, so you can split test later if needed. Now choose the YouTube video you want to promote. Pick one with a strong hook and thumbnail, since those elements drive clicks and watch time in discovery placements. Enter a clear ad name for tracking and set your bid. For a views-focused video campaign, use a sensible maximum CPV to start. You can refine bids once you see early performance. Review everything, then click Create Campaign. That's it, your promotion is live and ready to bring new viewers to your channel.